Qalam's atmosphere is an atmosphere that is rare, I would say, to find in Islamic institutions nowadays. It's a nice blend of traditional studies with practical implications in communities. Usually institutions, they'll be on one side or another, but Qalam has a really good balance between the two. Two things from my experience is that a sense of community here, people who have the same goals as I do, we can all learn together. And a second is an access to shuyukh and teachers, which I wasn't able to have in my past and who I can learn from directly. One of the things I really appreciated here is that although they do focus on community, they don't shy away from academia and nuances when going to curriculums and textbooks, whether it be tafsir, whether it be usul al-fiqh. And on top of that, if a student does want to further their studies and, for example, maybe choose a book they want to use as their project, they don't shy away from that either, and they let the student explore some new topics as well. So in terms of that, it gives a really good environment for someone who wants to pursue academic studies.